What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, it does help the channel out. Our goal for 2021 is to hit the 10,000 subs, so make sure you're subbed. So the sponsor of this video is PrimeXBT. Now they've asked me to do a little review of their platform to show you guys what they have to offer. Now before they reached out, I didn't really know too much about PrimeXBT, but since I did some digging, they have a lot to offer. So without further ado guys, let's get straight into the video. So what is PrimeXBT guys? PrimeXBT is an online Bitcoin based exchange that offers cryptocurrencies and CFDs for trading on its platform. Now CFDs, as we all know, is contract for difference, so this is basically the leverage trading. Now leverage trading is basically trading with small amounts of capital but unlocking higher potential profits. So this company was founded in 2018 by Seychelles. PrimeXBT has experienced exponential growth within a short period of time. So we go check out the website. You can see it's very clearly and cleanly laid out. So a lot of you might be wondering, what is actually XBT? So XBT is actually the newly used abbreviation for Bitcoin. Now, not a lot of us know Bitcoin's abbreviation as BTC, but that is kind of the older abbreviation, and XBT is actually the newly used abbreviation for Bitcoin. A lot of exchanges and platforms are starting to change the abbreviation from BTC to XBT. So guys, we'll take a look at what you can actually trade here. So we go to all trading instruments. First, I want to point out that PrimeXBT has low fees, high liquidity, and is very secure. So these are three things that are very important when choosing the platform. So guys, trade the world's markets with PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT allows users to access multiple markets from a single account. So not only can you trade Bitcoin, but you can trade Ethereum, Litecoin and EOS. With tight spreads and low fees, benefit from high leverage. So moving on, you can actually also trade indices. So having access to the most popular indices such as the S&P 500, the FTSE 100 and Japan and much more. So as most of us know, the S&P 500 tracks the top 500 companies in the US. So it usually just keeps going up and up and up. It is a pretty safe bet. So being able to trade that on this platform is actually pretty good. Moving on, being able to trade Forex, foreign exchange. Trade on the most popular major and exotic currency pairs such as Euro, US dollar, pound and much more. Now me personally, I'm not that much of a fan of foreign exchange, but if that's something that you're interested in, go do it. And lastly, commodities. So profit from both rising and falling prices of gold, silver, oil, natural gas and much more. So this is actually one aspect of why I like this platform, being able to trade on both sides of the spectrum, when the price is falling and when the price is increasing. With traditional trading, you're stuck to waiting for the price to increase. If the price falls, everybody says buy the dip, buy the dip. You could be left holding the bag for months, like over the last couple of weeks or months we had recently. Everything was just falling. Being able to trade off a decline and make profit is a major advantage. So we now know what is available to trade with PrimeXBT. So we have foreign exchange, we have indices, we have cryptocurrencies and we have commodities. So we'll jump straight into my account. You can see I've deposited $555 just to play around with it with you guys so we can get used to it together. So PrimeXBT is actually available on any iOS, Android, iPhone, laptop, available on multiple devices. So it does cater for a lot of people. So as you can see straight off the bat, we have our secure wallets. We have the Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet. Now I have my money in Ethereum, as you can see there, 0.23. We have US Tether, USD coin and Coinvesting, which is another cryptocurrency coin. Moving down, we can see the margin. So this is the leverage trading that we were talking about. You can get up to 100x leverage. So moving on, we have the turbo investing. Now turbo investing is actually pretty cool. It's like speed investing. We'll get to it, we'll come back to it, but it is actually pretty cool. Now moving on, we have co-investing. Now this is actually a major one. I'll probably do a separate video on this because there's actually so much to talk about in this. So what it basically is copy trading, copying active investors' investments. So you're following their trades per trade, either buying or selling, whatever they're doing. So your money will be copying what they're doing. So guys, moving on, let's say you want to deposit money into your PrimeXBT account. So you want to deposit Bitcoin. So we'll go for deposit Bitcoin. Now, if you've Bitcoin in a different cryptocurrency exchange or platform, you can copy this wallet address and then send that Bitcoin over to this PrimeXBT account. If you don't have that, you can buy Bitcoin with a credit card or debit card like normal. So most people will deposit through Visa or MasterCard, so 4.5%. So we click buy, we'll see what happens. So guys, the minimum deposit is 60 bucks, 60 euro. At the end of the day, if you are investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you should be investing more than 60 euro. So the minimum deposit shouldn't really matter too much to most people. Say we want to put in 100 euro, €100. Here we go, 0.003 of a Bitcoin. So then guys, they'll send you a link, you confirm the email, you verify your email address, and then you top up using your credit or debit, MasterCard, whatever you want to do. So guys, we move on to the margin trading. We'll have a look at this. So I will move my funds from my wallet to my margin account. So as you can see guys, my available margin percentage is 100%. Okay guys, we look at the main trading account, margin trading account here. So we have the main graph here with candlestick pattern graph. We got the MACD below. If you want to change the graph, you could change it to a line, bar, whatever you like. I prefer the candlestick pattern graph myself. You can zoom in, zoom out with this. And you can also change the time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, whatever you like. Also with this, you can change it if you don't like the MACD, you can change to the RSI and Bollinger Bands. I like the Bollinger Bands and the RSI, so I'm going to add the both of them. So strength. So I'm going to add the both Bollinger Bands and relative strength indicator. They're the ones I usually roll with, so that's my preference. Over here on the left, we have the pairings. So we have the commodities, we have the foreign exchange, so the US dollar versus Japanese yen. We have the commodities, crude oil, we have gold, we have gas, and then we have the indices that we were talking about, the Japanese, the Dow Jones 30, we got the SP 500 and the Nasdaq, and much more. So it is nice to have them all in one little section. Down below we have the positions. Now this is where you buy and sell whatever you're buying and selling. This will show up down here in positions. As you can see, my balance here is 0.237, and that's $522. So since I was making this video, it has making a little bit of a drop. Now as you can see in the RSI indicator, you can see it's over the 70% range, so it is overbought at this moment. We can even put in a sell order here right now, 0.01. We put in 0.3. So as you can see down below, it's the profit or loss is 0.039, 0.42. So it is falling a small bit. It's going in our favor. Now as you can see, just as I put in that place that order, it is dropped below the 70%, so it is not overvalued at this moment in time anymore, but it still could pull down a little further. So I'm going to go ahead and close that position as I made a small bit of profit, and then done, boom. Yes guys, I just made a small bit of profit, not much, but it was a win. That's pretty much how the margin trading works. So I do actually like the way everything's nice and tightly fitted here, and you have the nice graph over here. So I will be playing around this as time goes on. We'll check out the turbo investing. So turbo investing, what is turbo investing now? So the aim of the game is very simple. You have a 10-minute duration or a 15-minute duration, depending on what you want or which you prefer. Now the aim of the game is to bet whether the price is going to be above the current price or below the current price after that 15 minutes is up, or 10 minutes. A lot of people that actually use turbo investing would use the analysis chart here. So this is kind of like trading view. So they draw their lines and graphs. So a lot of traders would use the analysis chart, the trading view chart, just for the technical analysis, then go back up to turbo investing and then go from there. So we'll draw a little trend line here. So we'll I want a horizontal line, just so this is going to be the base, and then we're going to have a second base here. Also guys, I want to check the indicators. So I do like the RSI, relative strength index. So the RSI is undervalued right now, so there's definitely, we'll head over to the turbo investing and we'll click buy. So we'll do 10-minute duration and we'll click buy, confirm, done. So now we've just confirmed that we want to buy because it was below the RSI indicator, the 30%. It was undervalued in the analysis chart, so it's going to come back up to fair value, and it is starting to come back towards us, so that is good. We go back to turbo investing. As you can see there, I have a profit of, the price needs to stay above the 35,388 for me to make a profit. You can't really exit the trade, it just has to follow through after the 10 minutes, and then you either see if you've won or not. Guys, we are on a knife edge right here. Damn, see that? Just lost. I lost 0.001 of the Bitcoin. And that's the way it goes. So guys, promo code. So promo code allows you to get a discount on trading fees and receive bonuses on your deposit at PrimeXBT. So yeah guys, I actually do like this PrimeXBT platform. It is a good quality platform, very secure, and offers something for everybody. Now me personally, the leverage trading is the one for me. I wanted to always get into leverage trading just because you can invest a small amount of capital and get higher returns. Yes guys, I will be playing around with this platform a lot more. The turbo investing is pretty cool, so we'll be playing with that for the next couple of days. Yes guys, that's it pretty much for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It does help the channel out. And if you've enjoyed PrimeXBT, go ahead and check the link in the description. Don't forget to use the promo code James50 as it will give you a 50% bonus. Also guys, I will do a follow-up video with the Coinvesting as it is something very interesting, so we'll do that next week. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.